Hello, and welcome to a brand new adventure. I'm your guide on this journey, and today we're going to explore the fascinating world of online course creation with Tutor LMS. Now you might be wondering, what's Tutor LMS? Well, it's a powerful learning management system that allows you to create, manage, and sell your own online courses right from your WordPress site. It's like having your own personal online school. But why Tutor LMS, you ask? It's simple, flexible, and packed with features that make course creation a breeze. Whether you're an educator looking to share your knowledge, a business aiming to train employees, or just someone with a passion to teach, Tutor LMS is your ticket to creating engaging, interactive online courses. So, are you ready to transform your ideas into a learning experience that can reach people all over the world? Are you excited to empower others with knowledge while also growing professionally and financially? If your answer is yes, then buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Tutor LMS. Let's get started. Are you ready to dive into the world of Tutor LMS? Great! But before we start, let's make sure we have everything we need. Tutor LMS is a WordPress plugin, so you'll need a WordPress site up and running. Don't worry if you don't have one yet. Setting up a WordPress site is a breeze, and there are plenty of resources available online to guide you. Now, let's get Tutor LMS installed. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and click Add New. In the search bar, type Tutor LMS and hit Enter. You'll see Tutor LMS appear in the search results. Click Install Now and then Activate. Voila! You've successfully installed Tutor LMS on your site. But we're just getting started. The real magic happens when we begin to create our course. In the next section, we'll walk through the process of creating your first course with Tutor LMS. So stay tuned, because things are about to get really exciting. Welcome to the exciting part of our journey, creating your first online course with Tutor LMS. Click on Add New Course. Here, you'll enter your course title, an enticing description, and upload a captivating image that represents your course. Remember, first impressions count. Next, we set the course price. Whether you want to offer your knowledge for free or monetize it, Tutor LMS has got you covered. Simply select free or paid, and if it's the latter, specify your price. Don't forget to add the course duration too. Creating a course is like telling a story. It needs a compelling beginning, informative body, and a conclusive end. With Tutor LMS, you're the author of this educational story. So, let's start writing. Stay tuned as we explore more features of Tutor LMS in the next sections. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Let's take that step together. Are you ready to bring your course to life? With Tutor LMS, adding lessons and quizzes is as easy as pie, and we're going to do it together. First, let's add some lessons. Navigate to the Add Lessons section in your course dashboard. Here, you can create individual lessons, add engaging content, and even include multimedia resources. Remember, variety is the spice of learning. Now, let's make learning interactive with quizzes. Click on Add Quiz, and you'll see a range of question types available. Whether it's multiple choice, true or false, or fill in the blanks, you can customize it all. Don't forget to set the passing grade, but that's not all. With Tutor LMS, you can add a time limit to your quizzes, making them even more engaging and challenging. It's time to turn your learners into achievers. So are you excited to create your lessons and quizzes? Remember, every great teacher is a great storyteller. With Tutor LMS, you're not just teaching, you're telling a story. Let's make it a good one. Welcome to the world of customization with Tutor LMS. Here, you have the power to shape your course just the way you envision it. Let's dive in. In your Tutor LMS dashboard, you'll find a section called Course Settings. This is where you can tweak and tailor your course to perfection. From setting course prerequisites to adding course benefits, the control is in your hands. Want to set a prerequisite? Simply select a course from your list that students must complete before enrolling in this one. It's a great way to ensure your students are well prepared for the journey ahead. Now, let's make your course irresistible with course benefits. Highlight the unique selling points of your course, whether it's the skills students will gain, the projects they'll complete, or the certification they'll earn. But that's not all. You can also customize the course layout to match your teaching style and the course content. Whether you prefer a simple linear structure or a complex modular layout, Tutor LMS has got you covered. Remember, with Tutor LMS, you're not just creating a course, you're crafting an experience. So, let's make it unforgettable. Welcome to the heart of your online teaching experience, managing students and course completion. With Tutor LMS, you're not just a course creator, you're a mentor guiding your students towards success. First, let's talk about student enrollment. Tutor LMS provides a seamless enrollment process. You can monitor who's enrolling, their progress, and even their performance. It's like having a virtual classroom at your fingertips. Now, let's move on to course completion. One of the most rewarding aspects of teaching is seeing your students succeed. With Tutor LMS, you can track your students' progress, see when they complete the course, and even award them with certificates. Yes, you heard it right. You can create beautiful, personalized certificates for your students right within Tutor LMS. Remember, every student's journey is unique, and as their mentor, you're there to support them every step of the way. With Tutor LMS, managing students and their course completion becomes a joy, not a chore. So are you ready to become the mentor your students need? In conclusion, we've embarked on an exciting journey today, exploring the vast capabilities of Tutor LMS. We've seen how this powerful tool can transform your WordPress site into a thriving online learning platform. From setting up your first course to managing student progress, Tutor LMS makes it all possible. Now, it's your turn to take the reins. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but once you get started, you'll find that creating your own online course is a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Don't be afraid to experiment and customize your course to make it truly unique. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community of Tutor LMS users out there ready to help and share their experiences.